Hello heroes, Joe Smith here. Got a Craftsman power washer. Customer brought it in, said they can't get started. Think it has water in the gas. This guy said his brother or someone was trying to work on it or look at it and put a new spark plug in, but don't know if you put the right spark plug in. But he said they drained the gas. It's got a little bit of gas in it there, it looked like. I went to try and start it, and that's why it won't start. So apparently it's not because the cylinder's full of gas or water or something. Pull the plug out. So now I'm trying to find a Allen wrench small enough. The ones I got here are too big to get in there. I had just some miscellaneous loose ones laying around, but I forget where they got put. So either the engine's locked up or the pump's locked up. I've had one or two before where I thought the engine was locked up, but then it turned out it was the pump that was locked up. I couldn't pull start it. So I'm gonna try and take that off and figure out if it's the engine or the pump, but I'll probably end up wasting my time and probably just decide to throw it out and go buy a new one. But thanks for watching. Joe Smith signing out.